So this is a really a must course. Before joining the course, I joined the course in July to 2020 last year.
Right.
So when I joined the course, I was not like that. What I am actually, I'm a quite a positive person. Such a positive that I can spread the positivity. That much I can vouch for. I can
Right.
that I can see my kids, my younger sister. I just can boost her when she feels
Right.
negative or feels low. That much
Right.
courage, at least I have now. At that
Right.
time, I was not that much. I wanted to do, but I didn't have that thing in me so that I can make them uplift them. मेरे
Right.
को लगता था कि and second, this was the first thing. Second thing means when anybody wanted help, तो मैं हेल्प देने के लिए मैं तैयार रहती, बट आई वॉज नॉट केपेबल. तो उसके लिए मैं क्या होता, मेरे को लगता था अरे मेरे को नहीं देने आ रहा था, जस्ट टू ट्राई.
Yeah.
इफ यू रिमेम्बर हनी, एट
I
दैट टाइम
remember.
प्री सेशन आई टू टेल, अरे मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा है,
I
बहुत
know.
रोना है. स्टार्टिंग का डिजर्विलिटी किया तो मुझको बहुत रोना ही आ रहा था, एवरीडे लिख रही तो रोना ही आ रहा था. जस्ट
Right.
वंडर व्हाई आई एम क्राइंग. आई
Hmm.
यूज्ड टू वंडर. But really, honey, it's just a miracle, I can say now.
It is.
Nowadays, I don't cry, because मैं रोना मतलब आता नहीं है.
I can see the shift so much. Sangeeta used to be little anxious, your facial expression used to be mostly worried. That thing used to be there, that दुनिया भर का pressure लगता था. Now you feel little calm, you feel little relaxed हो जाएगा.
बिकॉज
Because
मेरे
we
से
are
ना
on.
बहुत जन का एक्सपेक्टेशन था, जैसे कि माई यंगर
हाँ,
सिस्टर इज टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन मी. पर
right, right.
इमोशनली मैंने कुछ भी हुआ तो बस दीदी को बताना है,
Feel good.
जस्ट टू पोज इट आउट, just
Right,
pose it
right,
out. But
right,
I have to how to bear that thing, how to withstand at the same time, how to uplift her. That thing
right.
I was not knowing at that time.
Correct,
At
correct,
present,
correct.
I can. अभी मेरे को खुद का मी टाइम, एट दैट टाइम मी टाइम बोलेगा तो मेरे आई यूज्ड टू फील दैट आई एम सेल्फिश फॉर माई सेल्फ. तो खुद के लिए कैसे सोचूं? I have so
Right.
many commitments. I have two kids. I have to look after them. Their responsibility. I have to take their studies. There were no classes at that time for them. तो मुझको वो commitment ज़्यादा important as compared to myself. But
Right.
after joining this course, I thought really I deserve for myself also. That thing I did, many things I learned actually from
Yeah.
this course. I can see a large, big shift after this course. It's
Beautiful,
a
beautiful.
must. It's a must for everybody. At least once you do,
Yeah.
you
And
will find that positivity in yourself.
exactly, exactly. Thank you so